Hey, didn't see you there.
Hey guys, I'm Erin.
I'm Kelly.
And this is
The Erin and Kelly Show. And we're here today to ask students, what are we asking students today?
I think we're going to try to find out what people are doing over this winter break.
Charlie, may I call you? We're wondering what you're planning to do over the holiday break.
Not being called Charles?
Charles, just answer the question.
Okay, not doing Carol's homework and skiing.
Huh. Will you be, could you like do homework while you're skiing possibly?
No, I'm too lazy to do that.
How does this relate to maple syrup?
Maple syrup is a drink enjoyed on a chairlift.
So Charles Grant, what are your plans over this winter break?
Eat flapjacks.
And do you enjoy maple syrup with your flapjacks?
Yes.
Tell us how excited you are to have flapjacks with maple syrup.
Very excited.
Charlie, we're just wondering what you plan on doing over the winter holiday break.
Over the winter holiday break, I plan on going to Narnia.
Oh, hey, Charles. Oh, what are you reading there?
Spanish book.
Oh, your Spanish teacher would be so proud. Do you have any other plans over this winter break?
Just celebrate the end of the world.
Oh, okay. All right. Will you be celebrating with maple syrup?
Probably not.
Do you know how to say maple syrup in Spanish?
No.
Maybe we should ask your Spanish teacher?
Hi, Charles.
Hi there, Betty.
You're so witty. My name's not Betty, though. So, Charles, we're wondering what you wanted to do over the holiday season.
I want to go someplace tropical, someplace with balmy breezes and coconuts falling off of the trees and swimming with the dolphins and sand in my toes and a ring in my nose. Ho, 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 ho.
And maple syrup?
Yes.
Do you enjoy maple syrup?
I love maple syrup. Not crazy about the Canadians, but maple syrup I love. Well, it's that evil Canadian Empire vibe they got going there. You got to be careful. You got to watch those Canadians.
Charles, how you doing today?
I'm great. How are you?
Living the dream. What are your plans for this winter break?
Maybe do some skiing?
And would skiing with maple syrup be an option?
Yes.
Charlotta, we're asking people today, what are you doing over this winter break?
I'm sleeping a lot. I'm really tired.
And in your sleeping, do you think you will ever dream about maple syrup?
Yeah, I really like pancakes, so.
Thanks for joining the Kelly and Erin Show. We had a great time today.
We really did. Learned a lot about ourselves, others, and maple syrup.
And Charles, and Charles, and Charles, and Charlie, and Chuck, and Charlita. Yeah, so it's been a great day. Thanks for being here with us, and we'll see you next week.
No, next year.
Next year, 2013, baby.
Here we come.
Whoop.